everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute unicorn birthday cake. Let's start drawing. First time I'm going to draw the top of the cake. I draw two cute eyes. Eyelashes and her smiling mouth. I draw the hair. Please subscribe your channel. I draw a cute face. I draw her ears. The cream of the cake. Now I draw the rainbow. I'm going to connect the clouds with lines, like this. Finally, I draw the plate. Amazing! Now I'm going to use the big marker to make this beautiful drawings more visible. Love it! Let's start coloring. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Color. Purple color. Pink color. Yellow color. Blue color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Color. Pink color. It's so beautiful. If you like this video, please like this video and and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.